Holly, what you doing? Hi. You coming over to visit? No, you can't. You can't love the camera. You can't love the camera.
But she does love the camera. The camera loves her.
She does. She's looking outside. She said, "What's out there?" She sees birds. She's not allowed outside, but that's okay. She can look out the windows and smell the outside. And there you go. You know what that is, Holly? Go ahead.
All right, get in the basket.
I'll just get in the basket.
I gotta
she
lay
says.
here.
I do like that thing, though. What did you do?
We sent it across the table.
Hit it. Send it back. Where's the basket?
My basket moved.
Get it. Whoa. She said, "I wish I could scratch tickets." Whoa.
But I don't have opposable thumbs.
No. I do like that thing.
All right, in the basket. Let's go.
In the basket.
Time for scratching.
She says, "I don't know. I want to play with that thing some more." All right. We have tickets to scratch, Holly. We can't play anymore. All right. We have a couple tickets set for life. Open these up. We have 2 set for life. They are $10 tickets. And you can win $5,000 a week for life. That would be very sweet. 15 chances to win. Match any of your numbers with the 6 winning numbers. And win the prize shown. Reveal a coin and win the prize automatically. Reveal a star and you win the symbol and you win to 10 times the prize shown. And if you hit life, you win $5,000 a week for life. So let's see what we've got today. We've got 6 winning numbers. Let's see, 18. 18 has always been a lucky number for me. 26. I'm missing a number somewhere. Must be, there it is. 6. 22. Number 4. And 17. Those are our lucky numbers. All right, we're looking for a coin. We're looking for a star. We have a 13. No match. A 24. No match. A 29. No match. A 21. And no match. And a number 12. No match. $28, no match. On number 5, we have 4 and 6. 8, no match. On number 9, no match. And a 19. I think we have an 18. 17, 18, 19. Last row. 15. No match. Come on, looking for a coin or a star. 16. No, we have 17 and 18. 10. No luck. A 2. And a 23.
You woke up.
She's wide awake tonight.
Yeah, she is.
So this looks like no matches on that one.
No matches, Ollie.
No matches. Let's start on this one. What do we got here? We got a lucky 5. A lucky 6. A lucky 12. Lucky 10. Wow, low numbers. 16. And 17. All right, let's see what we have on this one. Where is it? Way up here. There's a 2. And a 21. No. A 7. No, we're looking for a 17. 23, too high. We have all low numbers. And an 8. One of the one low numbers we don't have. $29, too high. 27, too high. 28. Number 1, too low. An unlucky 13 we don't have. All right, next one row. 14. Nope. A 30. No, I don't have anything that high. 22. A number 4. Nope. We have 5 and 6. And our last number, 18. My lucky 18. Nothing. I do not see anything on there that matches. Wah, wah, wah. All right, folks. If you like what we do, please subscribe. And we'll do this for you every day if we can. And we'll let Holly go to sleep now. She gets so tired. So tired. She's awake tonight, though. All right, Holly, say goodnight. Good night. No, she doesn't talk much. All right, folks, have a good evening. Please subscribe if you get a chance. Have a good one.